Oh, bussies. I got my nails done. Just my regular nails too, no acrylic this time. How cute. Nail tap. Oh no. No, the tap. The tap good. Alright. That's my regulars. Okay. There we go. Megan also got this water flosser from the TikTok shop. And look how cute. Of course she got us pink because she knows, but it's adorable, so cute. I haven't used it yet, but she did, and she said it's good, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
She said it works really good. Cute.
It feels like I got this pressure I'm pressing down on.
Is it possible to just...
Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making some brownies with you girls. So we're gonna get started on that in just a second, and I'm also gonna be talking to you about how I was in an accident at work on the food truck the other day. That was on, what day was that? What day was my accident? It was on Saturday. So yeah, my freaking food truck accident at work was on Saturday, and it's now Wednesday today. So I just got bumped up a little bit on my shoulders, a little hurt here, and my elbow right here a little bit. Other than that, I'm okay. Everybody else was okay as well, but I'll tell you guys all about it as we get started. I'm also watching something on the TV if you hear that as well. That's what that is. But I miss you really so much. I'm excited to make some brownies. Last time I made like pink iced brownies because it was kind of like getting towards Valentine's. This time I'm gonna make powdered sugar brownies. So I have powdered sugar in this little My Melody. But yeah, we're gonna go girl, spit it out. We're gonna go ahead and get started on these. And also, I feel like I'm always addressing my boxes. Like, don't mind my boxes. Like, I'm always addressing that, but they're always in the frame. My moving boxes. So yeah, if you didn't know, now you know. I'm moving soon, so if you see some little boxes and stuff in the frame, it's because I'm moving. But you know, sometimes when I see them in the frame, it'd be driving me crazy, so that's why I always say that, you know. Also, besties, I got my nails done. Just my regular nails. I don't know if you can see. I know I already have some clips of them, but I didn't take you guys with me this time like I usually do, so I just wanted to show you that I got my nails done. And yeah, they're just my regular old little nails, so I just got a manicure. Yup, so cute. I love them. these are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. And oil too. We had a meeting at work and they said that we can't do any fake nails, but my boss said at the meeting that he didn't mind. He said you girls can have them painted. So say less. That's all I need. That is all I need. Just polish. Okay. Okay. They can still be cute. Okay, my loves, as you can see, they went in the oven. I was also making a little TikTok, so I was so focused on trying to get like the angles, all the steps in for you and TikTok. So it was a lot, but now we're gonna go ahead and talk about what happened to me, you know, on the truck. My loves, now I'm coming to you from my favorite spot on the couch. I'm gonna talk about my little food truck accident situation. It was terrifying. It was the first accident that I've been in, and of course it was on a big food truck. Luckily, honestly, I think because you know how like they say like for accidents wise, like the bigger the vehicle you're in is like, I guess, typically better. At least my mom has always said, you know, like the bigger the vehicle, like the more safer it is in case of an accident. But so the big truck, luckily, you know, we were all in the big truck. Nobody got hurt. It was actually, I think our biggest truck. It was our newest truck. And I think it might be totaled. I would love to show pictures on here, but like I don't want to show my entire work company and stuff. I don't know. I don't want to do all of that. But yeah, I wish you guys could see the pictures. Anyway, the impact happened on my passenger side. So, you know, we had the person driving, then me, or no, well then the other passenger, my other coworker, and then me. in the other seats here. I was right next to like the door of the truck, and then the person next to me, who was my other passenger, it was this little 17-year-old Jordan. So yeah, glad everybody is safe. Yeah, and then the driver was okay, Jordan was okay, and I'm okay. I just am bumped up on my shoulder back here, but the crazy thing is like right where I'm hurt, I have a whole tattoo, so like you can't even see my bruise because my tattoo's right there. So I'm pretty sure she's bruised up. She is definitely hurt when you touch her, or sometimes, you know, if I'm just like walking or something, like I can just feel it hurting a little bit, but I didn't break any bones, neither did anybody else, and nobody was bleeding crazy or anything like that. Okay, but let me get into kind of like how it all happened. So it was Saturday morning-ish time, and we were on the way to our spot. It was an all-day 12-hour spot. It was like a little brewery place, so we have been going there a lot recently, like every Saturday, and we were headed there. We were gonna open at 12 and we were gonna stay till 8 p.m. so like noon to 8 p.m. serve time. And we all came in, we were on the way there, and we were probably like 30 seconds. Sorry, the camera cut out for a quick second, but as I was saying, we were like 30 seconds literally away from being at the spot, like not even 1 minute down the road that our location was on when the accident happened. So we were at like a 4-way stop. There wasn't any traffic lights, just stop signs, and the guy that was coming this way towards us, we were right here, was going like 55 miles per hour. The speed limit was 35, so I guess the officer said that there's a bridge on the other side, and before the bridge it's like 50. He said it was 55 speed limit, but after the bridge it goes to 35, but nobody does it, he said. Like everybody still tries to go 55 through this area. So he was coming really fast, and I guess my driver who was driving the truck just didn't see him. I don't know, I think they determined that it was our guy's fault, so that's fun. Yeah, I don't know, because if he's coming from this side, we're over here, we should just go straight past each other. If our spot was still down the road past the intersection, then I keep calling it the intersection, past the little 4-way stop, whatever it's called, then how did this man that was going fast this way, how did the wreck happen on my passenger side? I was right up against the door, that's how I got banged up against it, because you can see the whole of our truck, the food truck, like the whole front bumper and engine and hood and stuff, it's all shifted this way, and that's where all our damage is on the passenger-ish side of the truck. And same thing with his car, his is all on his driver's side. So yeah, I don't know how. I'm pretty sure it was our guys' fault, because if he's coming this way, we're going this way. My guy must have like pre-turned or something and went this way and literally crashed straight into him. I don't know. I keep trying to figure out how it all happened in my head, because I kind of saw it coming, and because that other guy was going so fast, and I thought my guy had seen him though, so like I was thinking he was gonna stop. Nope. No. So I kind of saw it coming, so I was like bracing myself for it. I don't know, I've never been in a dang accident. So I was holding my coffee already in my hand. It was just like one of those, like, is it called International Delight? Something Delight, you know what I'm talking about. They have like the creamers and stuff. But I had like a little can of their caramel macchiato coffee or whatever. And I must have squeezed that can when we, you know, got hit, and I braced myself. So like I feel like my eyes closed for a second. I opened them. We were in the middle of the crash, and I feel like I braced myself more because like I was trying not to get hurt. Anyway, the coffee went everywhere. The coffee was everywhere in my hair. Yeah, hurt my elbow. Everybody was fine. The 17-year-old, he just got a little scrape on the back of his knee. The driver was just in shock, but I was in shock. I was like shaking, almost crying, shivering, because it was the same truck that got Mike's fingers. So yeah, like what, you know, it just is crazy. It's so crazy. So that's what happened there with the accident. The other guy, he was in like a white-ish like pickup truck, but he had like a hatch or something on it connected to it. When he came out, he was like bleeding from above his eyebrow, and then he had got cut on his wrist, but he ended up being okay. He didn't go to the hospital or anything, so we're all good there. It was interesting, you know, very interesting. And then it took forever to tow his truck and our food truck. It just took forever. We had to cancel the whole long event, which, you know, that's like the least of our worries, because all that really matters is that everybody's okay. But girl, it's like, can we catch a break over here? But anyway, I'm not gonna let it get me down. A little few bumps and a little scrape, and yeah, that's not gonna stop me from nothing. That is not gonna bring me down, girl. So that is the situation that I wanted to let you guys know about. That literally just happened a few days ago. Girl, crazy. But I think that's everything that I wanted to let you know about the accident. I'm gonna let you guys know when the brownies are ready. It says they have like about 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna hang out for about 15 minutes, continue watching my little show, and then we're gonna get the brownies out together, see how they turned out. Yeah. On the brownies, they definitely have, I think, just a little longer, and then they are all set. All right, my loves, my brownies are done and out. I am going to powder them in the morning. I'm gonna let them cool, but I'm gonna cover them for the night, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning. All right, my loves, it's the next morning, and I am powder sugaring this brownie up. Now, I'm definitely gonna try this later, but, well, I could try it now, but it's the morning, you know? What's it gonna work? In the morning, breakfast is a brownie. So I don't know, I might not try it right now, I might try it later. Hey my loves, it's after work now, and we're going to try some of the brownie, but right now I am eating some bibimbap, and girl, I haven't had bibimbap in a few years. So I'm a little bit excited. It has been a while and it's very good. I also got whatever this is. It's something. I think it was like a hibiscus lemonade. That is good. What did I get? I got purple rice. I think I got the spicy Korean beef. I've never had it before. I usually get steak. What else? Carrots. I got the broccoli, potato, corn, yum yum sauce. That's a potato. I got kimchi somewhere. That's kimchi. Red cabbage. Look how big this broccoli is. Holy cow. Broccoli is good. Let's try some of the rice. This is a big piece of the spicy Korean. Oh, there was a potato on top. And she fell. Let's get some kimchi. All right, I am full. All right, we are going to litter back on up. Okay, besties, I only got like a little small square of the brownie, but that's because baby, she is thick. So yeah, you only need a small piece. Very, very good. Tastes like brownies. Of course, right after I made the brownies, the Girl Scout cookie order comes in. So now we have too many sweets. That's why I'm like, I'm just gonna do a little piece of the brownie. And yeah, because Girl. Not the Girl Scout cookies are coming. It really is that season. But anyway, that's all that I have for you. Thank you guys for baking with me. And yeah, that crazy accident I got into. Girl. So crazy, but I'm so glad that I'm okay. Everybody's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification bell. That way you, yes you, will be notified next time I upload. I said it too fast. Let's try it again from the top. Ready? Together. Alright? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Girl, why am I struggling to get my own outro right? What's going on today? But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification bell. That way you, yes you, will be notified next time I upload a video. And I'll see all of you in the next one. Bye.
My headspace been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday.